Soon after Bill Chayakli votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Na Zion, Ragayaman. Road to Zion, pure and wide. Jaja guide me every stride. It shine with truth, it shine with flame. Zion Road, exalt his name. No Babylon can block the way. Zion Road, here to stay. Forever holy, strong and true. Zion Road, carry you. Zion Road, clear and bright. Guide the soul into Jah light. Every mile a holy flame. Zion Road, praise his name. It called the humble, guide the meek. Zion Road, all Lord seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion Road, shining strong. It climbed the hill, it crossed the sea. Zion Road, eternity. Forever steady, pure and long. Zion Road, just on. Me trod it in the morning sun. Zion Road never done. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion Road by Jahan, forever shining pure and true. Zion Road carry you. No Babylon can hide the flame. Zion Road call his name. It stretch eternal, far and near. Zion Road forever clear, forever glowing, never cease. Zion Road bring Jah peace. It guide the children, guide the youth. Zion Road, Jah truth, eternal highway, strong and free. Zion Road, destiny. When the trumpets sound again, Zion Road still remain. Forever holy, never fall. Zion Road bless us all. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion Road show Jah way. Eternal walking, pure and long. Zion Road, Jah song. Step high, step true. Zion Road for me and you. No chain, no wall can turn we back. Zion Road, keep we track. Zion Road, clear and bright. Guide the soul into Jah light. Every mile a holy flame. Zion Road, praise his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion Road still carry on. Ay, Zion reggae, yeah man. Freedom rise in Zion land. Lift up Jah his mighty hand. It break the chain, it loose the tie. Zion freedom never die. No Na na na. Yeah. Deep meditate, yeah, man. Crown of Zion, bright and pure, holy blessing that endure. It shine with fire, shine with flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown forever stay, forever holy, strong and true. Zion crown belong to you. Zion crown, blaze so bright, shine eternal, holy light. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, call your name. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion crown, all hearts seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion crown, shining strong. It guide the nation, guide the man. Zion crown, your plan. Forever glowing, pure and long. Zion crown, your song. Me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion crown, never done. It shine eternal, never fall. Zion crown for all. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown carry you. No Babylon can dim the flame. Zion crown morning light arise. Song of Zion fill the skies. It never end, it never fade. Song eternal Jah has made. From root of man to crown above. Song of Zion, sing of love. Forever true, forever strong. Song of Zion, carry on. Sing high, sing free. Song of Zion, unity. No hate, no war can stop this sound. Song of Jah all around. Song of Zion, pure and strong. Sing it loud, no, sing it loud. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Iron mighty, strong and sure. Throne of Zion, ever pure. Not of silver, not of gold, but of love from days of old. Upon it sit the King of peace. Justice flow and war must cease. Every heart bow down and pray. Throne of Zion, guide the way. Throne of Zion, bright and high. Lift the people to the sky. No man rule but Jah alone. Throne eternal, holy throne. It rests upon the mountainside. Strong foundation, deep and wide. Prophets stand and angels sing. Crown of glory Jah will bring. No liar, thief or wicked plan can touch the throne of righteous man. Forever firm, forever true. Throne of Zion shine for you. It judge with love, it judge with care. No injustice enter there. It raise the meek, it lift the low. Throne of Zion always show. Every law is carved in light. Every truth is burning bright. Seat of mercy, seat of song. Throne of Jah forever strong. Me dream at night, me vision clear. Throne of Zion always near. It called the tribe to walk upright, to keep Jah law both day and night. It bless the elder, bless the youth, guide them forward into truth. Every step the people take, Throne of Zion pathway make. When the trumpet sound on high, Throne of Zion fill the sky. Every knee shall bow in love. Throne of Jah from heaven above. From first to last, from now to end. Throne of Zion never friend. Glory shine, no shadow fall. Zion rule them all. No king of earth, no crown of clay. Jah alone have throne for stay. Throne of Zion bright and high, lift the people to the sky. No man rule but Jah alone. Throne eternal, holy throne. From earth to heaven, root to crown. Throne of Zion never down. Ay, ay, ay. Zion is so high, man. Mountain rise in Zion land. Holy work of Jahan. It touched the sky, it touched the flame. Zion mountain called your name. No Babylon can shake the ground. Zion mountain all around, forever standing, pure and true. Zion mountain carry you. Zion mountain, tall and strong, echo holy Jah song. Every stone a holy flame. Zion mountain praise his name. It crowned the valley, crowned the sea. Zion mountain destiny, forever holy, never gone. Zion mountain shining strong. It guard the children, guard the meek. Zion mountain all hearts seek, forever rising, pure and white. Zion mountain holy tide. We climb it in the morning sun. Zion mountain never done. It blaze eternal, never fall. Zion mountain for all, forever glowing, pure and true. Zion mountain carry you. It rise the people, rise the land. Zion mountain by Jahan. It stand eternal, strong and wide. Zion mountain holy guide. No Babylon can shake the stone. Zion mountain stand alone, forever holy, bright and free. Zion mountain destiny. It lift the spirit, lift the song. Zion mountain just strong. When the trumpet sound again, Zion mountain still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion mountain bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion mountain show Jah way, eternal rising, tall and long. Zion mountain Jah song, stand high, stand free. Zion mountain majesty, no chain, no wall can pull it down. Zion mountain wear the crown. Zion mountain tall and strong, echo holy Jah song. Every stone a it, blind the night. Light of Zion, pure and right. No lamp of man, no sun can show. Like the light, Jah let it glow. It pierced the dark, it healed the blind. It lift the heart, it free the mind. Forever burning, never gone. Light of Zion, shining strong. Light of Zion, bright and true. Shine on me and shine on you. Guide the people, guide the way. Light of Jah, forever stay. Me see it when the day is done. It guide me dream, it keep me near. Light of Zion, banish fear. It wrap the world in golden flame. It call the people, judge your name. Every soul it shine upon. Light of Zion, carry on. Final day, light of Jah, forever stay. Shine eternal, shine divine. Light of Zion, always mine. Shine bright, shine tall. Light of Zion, bless us all. No cloud, no storm can dim the flame. Light of Jah, forever same. Light of Zion, bright and true. Shine on me and shine on you. Guide the people, guide the way. Light of Jah, forever stay. From root to crown, from dusk to dawn. Light of Zion, carry on. Zion Reggae, yeah, man.
Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Flow so gentle, pure and sweet. Flow so gentle, pure and sweet. River cool the burning heat. From the mountain down it run. Bless the people, everyone. It heal the soul, it quench the thirst. River flow from Jah at first. Every drop a song of peace. River flow and love increase. River of Zion flowing free. Carry love to you and me. From the root to ocean wide. River keep the people guide. It wash away the stain of wrong. It carry chant, it carry song. It bring the seed fi grow in ground. River blessed with holy sound. No drought of hate, no flood of war. River heal forevermore. Flow eternal, flow divine. River flow with Jah design. It move the elder, move the child. Keep the spirit meek and mild. It run through city, run through land. River built by Jah own hand. Every bend, a truth revealed. Every wave, a wound is healed. No end, no break, no chain can bind. River bless the heart and mind. Me sit beside the riverside. Hear Jah whisper deep inside. It say, hold fast, don't go astray. River guide you night and day. It showed the way to righteous ground, where love and mercy all abound. Every drop a holy prayer. River of Zion always there. When the morning star is bright, river sparkle in the light. It carry joy, it carry song. River guide the tribe along. Forever flowing, never still. River move by Jah true will. From root to crown, from birth to end. River of Zion always friend. Flow wide, flow strong. River of Zion all lifelong. No dam, no wall can stop the tide. River of Jah always guide. River of Zion flowing free. Carry love to you and me. From the root to ocean wide. River keep the people guide. From mountain high to valley low. River of Jah forever flow.
Underneath the coconut tree, me sit and reason with the breeze. Herb in a chalice spark the flame. Me call upon Jah holy name. The birds them fly in a sacred dance. Me eyes closed, me spirit in trance. Me no need no riches nor gold. Just shoots me heart forever old.
Faith make a conscious sound, me soul wash clean by river water. Me chant down lies for the sons and daughters. From the hills of Zion to sea so blue, me live one life and that life true. Me temple now built from Babylon stone. Me mind and heart, that's Jah throne. Walk with I on the Rasta way, where ganja smoke rise and worries way. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta walk in Jah name. No more hate, no more shame. Only love and the sacred flame. Me praise the Most High with every hand. No poison in a me plate, only ital vibes me cultivate. Me woman strong, me children wise. We teach them truth, not dealing lies. The system can't trap me mind. Me meditate and realign. Me light me spliff in meditation. Me chant for deep liberation. From Babylon chains me break free. Now me soul float like leaf pan tree. The rhythm guide me like compass star. Me heart beat deep like Naya drum afar. Jah love deeper than ocean tide. In him presence me abide. Walk with I on the Rasta way, where ganja smoke rise and worry sway. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta walk in Jah name. No more hate, no more shame. Only love on the sacred flame. Example, like the prophets from the temple. Me carry love like staff in a hand, fi uplift people in every land. Me nah follow no wicked trend. Me build, me reason, me defend. Every day a chance fi grow. Me listen to Jah and let love flow. So when me journey reach the end, me know me walk with truth as friend. Me spirit rise like morning sun, cause Rasta mission never done. Me voice will echo through wind and trees, still chanting song fi set souls free. On this path of sacred flame, me live and die in Jah name.
Trod so long through rain and sun. Each step a battle, each fight hard won. Through valley deep and mountain high, Jahanda guide me spirit fly. Me cross the river, me face the storm, but love keep me heart warm. Now me see the golden light, Zion gates just come inside. Open the gates of Zion wide, let the righteous step inside. Sing this song for all mankind, leave the hate and fear behind.
Be in the gates of Zion wide,
Na na na,
let the righteous step inside.
na na na,
Sing this song for all mankind,
na na na.
leave the hate and fear behind.
Me hear the trumpet start to play, announce the dawn of brighter day. The people gather young and old, every story now retold. We lay we burdens at the door, pick up joy forevermore. Zion call like mother's song, calling we where we belong. Me see the garden lush and green, peaceful as me ever seen. River run with healing flow, tree of life in center grow. Every fruit that taste of grace, every soul in perfect place. No chain, no prison, no divide, only truth and love abide. Me meet the elders pon the hill, them tell me child keep treading still. The journey long but worth the pain, for every seed bring righteous gain. We sit and reason through the night, under moon and holy light. Them say Zion gates never close, for heart that pure and spirit knows.
Step inside, children, step inside. No more run, no more hide. Leave Babylon dust and road. Come trudge your righteous code. Lift your voice and lift your hand. Give thanks for the promised land. Every beat of the drum declare Zion love for all who care.
Call the name, shout it loud, Zion stand above the cloud. The choir rise, the voices blend, song of life that never end. Each note a blessing, pure and strong. Every soul sing along. Me feel me tears, but them sweet, like water at your feet. Zion gates swing open wide, Jah light pour like morning tide. Me see the children run and play, bright like sunrise every day. No hunger here, no war, no cry, just promise fill the sky. We share the bread, we share the wine, we walk the path so divine. Drums still beat, heart still warm, Zion peace, the perfect form. When nightfall come, no darkness near, for Jah light shine crystal clear. We rest beneath the holy tree, tell Jah thanks fi set we free. Me close me eyes and hear the sound of love and joy all around. And when me wake, me still inside, Zion gates forever wide. Open the gates of Zion wide,
We step in with Jah as guide.
leave the hate and fear behind.
Only love for all mankind.
Open the gates of Zion wide,
Rasta children step inside.
Zion gates forever wide. Jah light inside, Jah light inside. Kingston, skunk smoke. Yeah, man. From the mountain peak, me hear the call. Lion of Zion, me stand up tall. Jah words are me shield, me nah go fall. Truth and wisdom, them conquer all. Inna the streets, where the struggle real. Babylon system not care how we feel, but Jah light shine bright, it a strong appeal. Faith inna me heart, Jah love me feel. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Them can't stop the fire where Jah ignite. Me walk through the darkness with holy light. Rasta chant loud, them can't silence the fight. Freedom for the people, we claim our right. Babylon walls tumble, them can't withstand the power of the Lion, the Almighty hand. Roots and culture strong, me nah shift the plan. Unity and love, the Rasta brand. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Jah me give thanks for the blessings received. Inna this life, me nah feel deceived. With the high grade smoke, me lungs relieved. Babylon nah stop with that, them misperceived. Rasta chant rise, them can't ignore. The Lion a roar, hear it from shore to shore. Jah power infinite, it can restore. Inna the love and light, we forever explore. Rise up youth man, the time is now. The system a crumble, them can't stop how. The Lion a lead, make Jah love show. With the herb and the rhythm, the vibes just flow. One world, one people, Jah plan divine. Herb body healer, make the soul align. Chant down Babylon, step out a line. Jah Lion in a we, make the spirit shine. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Light up the fire, make the Lion roar. Rasta vibes spread from shore to shore. With Jah inna me heart, me can't ignore. The call of Zion, me chant for more. Herb inna the ear, the love supreme. Rasta vision clear, it a living dream. Jah bless the journey, the vibe serene. Forever Lion strong, we keep it clean.
Aye, aye, aye. Ganja with Zion music, yeah man. Before the sun peek over hill, me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song. Tell the world feel right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above. Feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion, set me free. Morning in a Zion breeze, so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the elder upon the stone. Chant and reason bout Jah throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon, chain can bind. Zion well in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away. Reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb, the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Nyabinghi drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Rise up, rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta never fall. Chalice burn, vibration high. Praise just sun in the sky. Every leaf and every tree tell this story naturally. No man can dim your light. Morning push away the night. The clearing where people meet, sharing fruit and bread so sweet. Children dance in the morning rain. No worry, just pure play. Me pass the herb from hand to hand. One love circle on the land. Morning time me feel so blessed. Zion spirit make me rest. Before the noon me lift me song. We keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant or seed we sow, in Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Morning in a Zion breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Morning in a Zion pure and bright. Guide we through the day and night.
Na Zion reggae and meditate, ya man. Evening light paint the sky in gold. Me sit on the hill, watch the story unfold. Spliff in a me hand, heart in a trance. Nyabinghi rhythm, the soul start dance. Ganja cloud curl like ancient prayer. Calling on Jah, no say him near. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Just the fire, the herbs, and Jah holy name. Rhythm beat like heartbeat steady. My soul clean, my spirit ready. Babylon try and chain my thoughts, but Rasta free in every step me walk. Them build walls, me build bridges. Them love war, me chant peace for the children. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. A future of love, me see it near. Evening smoke, rise high. Lift me soul to just sky. Drumbeat carry me far. Past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me meditate on Zion ground where roots run deep and truth is found. Psalms while me eyes half closed. Nature whisper all the things me know. Me no need no screen, fi see light. The fire inside keep me vibes bright. Me cook ital, live ital, think ital too. Me life for him, me words them true. Every puff a meditation, every beat a soul salvation. Fire blaze but me heart stay cool. Jah teach me love, me learn the rule. Rasta no bend, Rasta no break. Me rise up early, for conscience sake. Me no need no church, for reach him gate. Me pray in silence, me no tempt fate. a drum beat strong when my spirit cry. Evening smoke rise high, lift me soul to just sky. Drum beat carry me far, past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun, till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me meditate on Zion ground, where roots run deep and truth is found. You them lost in a denies and take, them forget say life a deeper step. But when me drop rhythm and light that flame, me remind them of Jah holy name. Rasta na preach feel like sun fame. Me chant for the ones who feel the pain. Me bring them herbs, me bring them hope. Me show them oh, Rasta cope. So me drift in the night, so cool, so clear. The stars them whisper, no need for fear. Me close me eye, me still can't see the path of love just set for me. Me chant me psalm in peaceful tone, with ganja breath in a flesh and bone. Me not chase crowd, me not chase gold. Me chase the spirit that never old. Evening fade but the light remain. Inna the smoke me heal the pain. Every beat, every herb, every word me sing, I praise to Jah to everything. So when the youth them light them fire, me up me song, lift them higher. Me story echo in every drum, till all the children know where them from. Na Zion reggae, I meditate, yeah man.
Na Zion Raga, yeah man.
From early dawn, me hear the sound. Nyabinghi drum on sacred ground. It called the people far and near, together with no hate, no fear. The heart did rhythm, deep and slow. Teach me things me need to know. Every tap, a message clear. Freedom time, drawing near. Drum beat for freedom, echo loud, lift up the humble, shake the proud. One vibration, one command, Jah deliver the promised land. Me see the youth them march in line, eyes them bright, spirit divine. Me see the mothers chant along, every voice become one song. The elders stand with staff in hand, guard the truth in the land. Drum beat calling on my bone, tell me Zion is me home. We chant for justice, chant for peace, chant until the change release. We burn the lies, we plant the seed, we heal the heart from Babylon greed. The smoke rise up, the air gets sweet, freedom fire, warm with feet. We know Jah time will come soon, under the sun and silver moon. Me trod through town with drum and back, no fear, me nah lose track. Me knock the skin, the people sway, all them troubles fade away. Me hear a child ask him pa, who give we drum, who give we la. Him smile and say from long ago, drum beat guide we way to grow. Knock the drum, let Babylon shake, chant the right. From the hills to sea to town, drumbeat tear oppression down. Nightfall come, firelight blaze, people dance in righteous ways. No weapon here, just urban song, healing vibes all night long. Drums still knock like heart inside, show the path, Jah be we guide. No man can silence this sound, freedom drum forever pound. Before the dawn me rest me hand, but drums still echo across the land. It carry story, carry name, carry love through joy and pain. So when you hear that thunder roll, know it speak to every soul. Drum beat for freedom, never cease. It chant for love, it chant for peace. Drum beat for freedom, echo loud, lift up the humble, shake the proud. One vibration, one command, Jah deliver the promised land. Drum beat for freedom, true and strong, lead we home where we belong. Marrakesh smoke, yeah man. Me fight for the truth, me nah bow down. Them can't stop we are hold the crown. Revolution, inna the word me speak. The power of the people, the strong not weak. Them want silence we, but we chant it loud. We are rise up strong, we are move the crowd. From the ghetto lane to the highest hill, we chant for justice, we chant for will. The fire burn, the battle long, but we not stop till Babylon gone. Me see the system, me see the lies. Them want we blind, them want we ties. But me know the truth, me stand up tall. We nah go stumble, we nah go fall. We are freedom fighters, stand up strong. Revolution in a song, chant it long. The system a crumble, we break the chain. Babylon fall, righteousness reign. Them lock we up, them lock we down. Them treat we bad, them want we drown. But we have to rise, we have to win. We chant your name, we feel within. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. The poor man cry, but him rise again. We not give up, we not lose faith. The victory close, can't come too late. From Marcus Garvey to the prophet's word, we chant it high, make sure it heard. Them take we land, them take we soul. Them try to control, but we still hold. We know the truth, we know we pass. We know say righteousness always last. The fire burn, we ablaze the trail. We nah go fail, we nah turn frail. Jah give we the strength to rise and lead. We plant the future like righteous seed. Me see the warriors pon the front line. Them ready for battle, them hold the sign. The elders guide, the youth them learn. The wisdom pass, the fire burn. Them try to stop we, them try to stall. But the people rise, them break the wall. We chant it loud, we make it known. The revolution, a set in stone. Me tell the ghetto youths, don't lose hope. Even when the system want you cope. The future bright, the road might long, but hold the faith, you are fi strong. We fight with wisdom, we fight with love. We fight for truth from Jah above. Me say rise up, fight for the way. The system fall, but we can't delay. We there for justice, we there for peace. Freedom fighters, we never cease.
Zion Reggae, yeah, man.
Me climb the hill before the day. Me still dance and clouds still play. The drum of earth beating on me chest. Me feel Jah calling from the crest. Each step higher, me sight more wide. Babylon fade when Jah reside. Me reach the peak, me lift me and give thanks to life and Jah creation grand.
Mountain chant, my spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar in the wind. Zion call me from within.
Me see the river snake below, flowing truth where all man know. The trees them sway in a sacred time. Every branch speaking holy rhyme. Me nah need gold, me nah need crown. Just the hills way pull me down. Me breathe the air so clean, so free. Zion gift for me family. Me trod with brethren by me side. Each a warrior humble in pride. We carry drum and carry flame. Fi chant and praise Jah holy name. We set up camp where breeze blow strong. We reason deep till the night is long. Me feel Jah power in every tone. Each heartbeat drum for him alone. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar in the wind. Zion call me from within. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar in the wind. Zion call me from within. Step by step me trod fi high. No turning back, no asking why. The chalice burn, the heart a pure. Each breath me take me over cure. Me hold the faith, me hold the ground. Each chant echo mountain sound. No man can buy the view me see. It's Jah creation set me free. Irie wind blow inna me dread. Pure meditation fill me head. From dawn till dark me nah retreat. Me keep me trot to just seat. Morning come and sunlight break. Bird a sing and earth awake. Me pick some herb from mountainside. Herbal blessing Jah provide. Me sip me tea and give thanks more. Fi help, fi love, fi open door. And when me step back down again, me carry mountain inna me brain. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Mountain chant till the morning dew. Zion path me always true. a Kingston, pushing out the paper. Yeah. Me walk on earth like ancient tree, roots deep down in history. Me crown lock up, me spirit free. Me face the sun, me bend fi breeze. Me eyes not blind, me sight not dim. Me drink the herb, me sing a hymn. Mountains whisper, rivers talk. Me soul awaken when me walk. Me not in a rush, me take me time. Every moment is Jah design. Me light the chalice, inhale peace, exhale worries, let trouble cease. Me hear the call of ancestors, them guide me through the stormy waters. Me chant in the early dawn, meditate till Babylon gone. Me grow like tree in the wind. Me nah break, me nah bend. Roots hold strong from deep within. Me rise again and again. Me praise Jah with every breath. Me fear not shadow, me fear not death. Life is sacred, time I test. Me live the truth and leave the rest. Me sit beneath the mango tree, birds are singing harmony. Me woman who ital stew, me give thanks for all we do. No concrete, no flashing light, just moon and firelight in a night. Me children learn from earth and sky, them know Jah love will never die. Ganja smoke rise like holy steam, open up me soul fi dream. Me float above the world below. Me see what most will never know. Truth nah live in a headline, it dwell in heart, an ancient sign. Me reason with me elders wise, them teach me how to recognize. Me grow like tree in the wind. Me nah break, me nah bend. Roots hold strong from deep within. Me rise again and again. Me praise Jah with every breath. Me fear not shadow, me fear not death. Life is sacred, time I test. Me live the truth and leave the rest. Me no look on man and judge. Me no walk with grudge. Me build bridge, me plant seed, me water tree, me do good deed.